Hello and welcome all of you to an exciting session on life, education, careers and MBA powered by MBAROI.in. My name is Dr. Kamal Kishore Sharma, Fellow of IIM Ahmedabad and currently Director General at Taxila Business School.
Good noon, sir.
Good noon.
I am Akash Shinde.
Yes,
I am
Akash.
a civil engineer graduate. In 2017, I completed my graduation.
2017 you said?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
I have 2 years of experience as a site engineer, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my question is that I have less than 60 percentile in my 12th. So,
okay.
Would that affect in placements in MBA?
Okay, that's a very loaded question. I'll give you in different formats. You have to put them all together. Let me also attempt it. One is it's 4 years since you did your graduation, but you have not spent time sitting at home. So you have got 2 years plus of experience. So you are a lateral placement candidate. Lateral placement is not freshers. So there are always companies which come saying, I need some experienced people and I may take freshers as well. So you will be falling in the group of experienced people, and which has probably they always start at a higher salary and at least one level up in your designation in career. So that way you have a very positive possibility when you do an MBA. In fact, I would love to have people like you in my class. I generally teach business strategy and corporate governance. In any faculty would love to have an experienced person in class preferably, but freshers are always welcome. I'm not saying that that's not a good enough candidate to be, but definitely the experienced people are quick in understanding, and they bring a lot of richness into class discussions. Now coming to your 60% in graduation, right? There are clearly, so there are two aspects that might connect. One is the MBA institute themselves say that I want minimum qualification is to apply to the institute is 60%, and so that is where you might lose out on the best of institutes. But the general norm is 55%. So I'm sure you are above 55, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's fine. Okay. So institution, the choice of institution wise, you may not be worse off. But then when it comes to the institute where you're doing your MBA from, you are a better candidate. You will definitely get a look in from recruiters for lateral placements. Having said that, there are companies, and a lot of them, specifically consulting companies I have known, and international, multinational companies. Normally they, they provide for a condition that only 60% and above should apply. Well, the universe of all those companies that are recruiting in Indian MBA, those multinationals and consulting and some more companies may not be even 10%. You are still there for the other 90% of all the recruitments that will happen. So, see, it's too late now to go back and say, I want to turn the tables and I want to make it 60%. That is not possible, But you have to make the best out of what you are today. And going forward, I think you should not be worried about that 10% of those companies which are, putting that 60%. But you should be worried about making the best out of the other 90%. For that, you need to do a good MBA from a good institution with a good specialization and do very well in soft skills at the interview. So all of that will get you into the top of that 90%. Why is that bad than the other 10%?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Right.